YouTubes. Oh man, there's a bee! There's a bee, there's a bee. Welcome happy campers, it's me Amanda here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking a little refresher of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend 240ML. Now we do have a video on the 2022 model, and to be honest, things haven't changed too much, but hopefully we can give you a little bit of a different perspective starting on the outside. Now this particular floor plan sleeps 2, maybe 3 comfortably, so you're not really gonna have a huge party on the outside, and this is just the right amount of space for 2 people. We have a large awning. Underneath it covers our entryway, our steps, which are solid steps. They're a step above step system. We also have a friction door, and we've got places to hook in a TV and extra satellite connections. This would be a really awesome setup if you've got maybe a grill you want to set out, a nice big rug, and a few chairs. I can only imagine the good times, but let's check out that pass-through storage. As far as your convenience bay and when you get to the campground, everything is going to be located on your driver's side, even that battery disconnect all in one. So just like I usually do when setting up for a video, I forget that battery disconnect, but it's so easy when it's all in one spot. Also, this storage area down here is pretty massive. Big enough if you wanted one of your guests to stay. I'm just kidding, I won't go there, but it is big enough I could probably lay down in this thing and it would be plenty of room. But let's step inside. Right when you step into this 240ML, you are bombarded with lots of things, but first, our control panel is easily located right here next to our door. Again, everything is pretty much in one location. We've got the convenience bay with our battery disconnect, as well as all of our controls, and I believe this connects to your phone as well, so super easy there. Down below, we have sort of a sidebar or more storage. They even have an angled platform for shoes, an extra storage area down here, and 2 drawers for those junk drawers that are absolutely necessary in everyone's home away from home. I'm kidding. Hopefully you don't have one. I do. Up top, it could be a good place for some things that you need to take when you're going out the door, but across from it is a full wardrobe option that can act as a coat closet, a real wardrobe if you've got a separate wardrobe for your adventures. Or if you just want to have a place to put more shoes, this is a great spot. You do have a hanging rod, and don't worry, this shelf does remove super easily. And again, down below, 2 more very large drawers, as well as sort of a catch-all down here as well. We don't have any outlets in this particular area, except for next to this sidebar, you do have one. Just something to note. In our living space, we have a lot of different things, but I'm gonna call myself out and expose myself. I'm about 5'11", so check out the height differences between me and the slide and me and the doorway, just so you have all the information you need if you've got that extra tall person in your family, but they wanna join camper life, which it's possible. But moving on this slide houses our kitchen stuff like our fridge and our oven, but we'll get to in a second. Here is our theater seats. It is a favorite amongst lounging in a camper. This or outside has to be the 2 places people probably spend the most time, if not sleeping in the bed. I do like that there's plenty of windows both on that side of the camper and on this side, so we can open them up, have a nice breeze, and not even have to run that AC in this lovely fall weather. Across from it, we have our dinette that also doubles as an extra smaller sleeping space for if you have a guest. One thing to note about this table versus other styles of tables in different branding lines of the Grand Design lines is this one has the two pole system that you can take those poles out, lower this top piece down onto its supports, and make it into a bed for your guests. It is a little bit more on the steps to make it become a dinette bed, but it's definitely pretty easy. These cushions are quite comfortable, and they're really thick memory foam. And you have a little bit of extra storage above that is next to your Roku TV here. We also have our indoor-outdoor speaker controls located next to our TV and our control panel over there. So again, everything is relatively close and super easy to use. But let's check out what that kitchen space looks like. For the kitchen space, you've got lots of prep space and countertop space, even around this oven. This is a 3-burner top Furrion stove. I love the blue knobs that are extra accents, but you can turn them off as well if you want. We have plenty of drawers beside it, enough spaces for all of our utensils, as well as one down here that's deep enough for those pots and pans or even skillets. And one back here that could opt as extra places for supplies, since this floor plan does not have a pantry, but the storage doesn't stop here. Our fridge is also located in a very convenient spot next to our prep station here. Plenty of room for all of your supplies, and I love the RV fridges because they already lock for travel, so you don't have to worry about the extra step. And we even have a little bit of extra storage down below, but the sink is over here. I personally love this little floor plan where it has the sink in the corner because it gives you a really cool way to look out on wherever you're parked and do your dishes and have plenty of places to put your dishes afterwards next to it or down in the back. We could even put a coffee pot right front and center right here if you even have an outlet already built in for that. As well as all of this storage. Starting up top, we have 3 separate cabinets. This one is the largest one, and if you need to carry things such as griddles, if you're making pancakes and you want to do something a little bit fun outside, plenty of space for that, and lots of extra trays or appetizer trays can definitely be stored in here. Another one over here that is the same size as the other one, but you could definitely use these as an extended pantry if you would like, or maybe even a snack cabinet. That would be fun. Down below, we have next to our sink, extra spot down here. I've asked this question a few times. What do you think that this spot is for? Is it for washcloths? Is it for soap, spices? Let me know what you think in the comments below. But I think that your cleaning supplies go down here. That's what I would use it for. And you've got plenty of room for that. I don't see spaces for a trash can, but you do have other spaces that you could set a trash can and it would sort of feel like it was the right place to go. Over here, extra cabinets, and check this out, 4 drawers on this side and 1 on that side. Now it's time to check out this cute bathroom. Now the bathroom has everything you need, from a regular size shower to that removable shower head, as well as a normal size sink that's deep enough for you to wash your face in, and also a little extra countertop storage. They also have a tower of storage over here and next to the toilet. So whether your toiletries or your shampoo or your towels, they're really close by, so you don't have to worry about that. We also have a medicine cabinet behind this mirror, as well as more storage next to it. So if you are a person that wants to carry lots and lots of hair and makeup and nails, then this is a pretty good one for you, especially if it's just you or you and your significant other. And the shower definitely beats the campground shower, I cannot imagine. But anyway, let's go check out that private bedroom. Past the barn style sliding door that also secures for travel is our private bedroom. We have a residential sized queen bed in this Transcend. One thing I like about Transcend is they opt to get this fitted sheet. It is a little bit of a fitted sheet, but it looks decorative versus giving you a comforter and 2 pillows. I prefer that because I need my certain pillows and my certain comforter, so I'm not hurt about that. We also have a light, 1 light underneath here that does have an on and off feature, as well as a little bit of a padded headboard there just to make sure you don't hit your head. Up top, we've got open shelving, so pretty much whatever you want to do with it, as well as 2 wardrobe style that are shelves on each side. You do have a little bit of a bedside table, so you've got a little bit of a platform there, as well as charging stations and an outlet. And don't forget, you have extra storage underneath your bed that fits a whole nother set of bedding if you would like, or even maybe some extra chairs that are outside. One more thing to note about this particular floor plan is with the slides in, you cannot get to that bedroom. You cannot get to the bathroom, but you could also get to some of the things in the kitchen, so just something to note. But do you have any questions about this floor plan, or you want to see anything next? Let us know. We will try to push your recommendations up to the front of the line. And check out our website if you have any questions, or always give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine, where your adventure awaits.